The reason why I put 4 adhesive strips around the frame around the AGS-101 Game Boy Advance SP screen is that I want to try to make sure the dust doesn't come inside. So I'm just going to take the red covers off seriously, taking my time. Don't scratch the screen. And avoid touching the screen with your fingers. I might try this off camera. I got all 4 red covers off the AGS-101 LCD around the frame. I will now put it into the Game Boy Advance. Give me a second, please. Pushing it all around the frame, the back of the AGS-101 screen, so that it makes sure it fits in there. It's not gonna fall in there. See? Now there might be a little bit tape right there, but that could be alright, I guess. Alright, let's see if the screen will still work. And voila! I think it could be in the center. This should be centered, I think. The AGS-101 screen in the original Game Boy Advance shell seems centered. Just so you know, this is my first time putting the 4 adhesive strips around the frame of the Game Boy Advance SP. It's AGS-101 LCD.